I am Maggie Morocco with Preservation Clarkston, and we are here today at the Bailey House. We are working with the Clarkston YPN network, and they are coming to do their volunteer day, and we are kind of just walking through, giving them a little tour, and they're helping us load and unload some trim that the high school students have carefully taken down out of the house. So the historical significance, the Baileys are actually one of the founding members of Clarkston. They have the Bailey Lake School. Whipple Lake used to also be named Bailey Lake. Part of the Bailey family married into the Cook family and started Cook's Dairy Farm. We definitely could not do any of this without the help of the community and the school district. This is a huge project. Renovating any home is a big project, but a historical home is even more undertaking.